Alright, so we got the casters on the outer four legs. There's no need in having them here in the middle. I'm going to demonstrate what these casters will allow me to do. This is a heavy-duty, heavy workbench. And if I were to ever want to move this workbench to another side of the shop or another side of the concrete slab when I start framing up this shop and working on the rafters and all this kind of stuff, anytime that I'm out here working, pre-shop or post-shop, whenever I get the shop done, I kind of wanted to be able to move my workbench around. I wanted to have that ability if I needed to. So, with these casters in place, all you got to do is step on it, it picks it up. Come over here, same thing, step on it, picks it up. Now, I have a completely mobile workbench. I can move this sucker anywhere I want. They're full swivel on all sides, so I can spin this sucker around if I wanted to. I can move it over here. I can put it anywhere I want. And then once I decide, all right, this is where I want it, all I got to do is come over here and lift up on the same pedal that I stepped on to raise the casters, and now it lowers them. Now my workbench is once again solid and where it needs to be. All right, guys, we got the stain on the top of the workbench. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the rest of it. If I'm going to stain the entire thing, or I was also thinking about maybe leaving these 4x4s natural, and then staining this, staining the back piece, staining the wood boards that go underneath for the bottom shelf, and then so the whole thing would be stained except for my 4x4 posts. But I don't know. In my mind, that's going to look really cool, but probably by the time I start doing it, either one of two things. It's going to look stupid, or it's going to look really cool, but stain is going to drip onto one of those 4x4 posts, and it's going to frustrate me. OCD is going to kick in, and what's up a little bit? And it's going to frustrate me, and I'm just going to end up saying the whole thing. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know this was kind of a weird one. We just built a workbench, bro. But that workbench is going to come in handy when we start framing up the shop. And then obviously once we get the shop built, anything that we do inside the shop, that thing's going to be handy, especially now that I've got the cool casters that I showed earlier in the video to make it a mobile workbench. It's going to come in handy as a pocket on a shirt. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think I should do with the stain. Should I just stain the whole thing? Stop trying to get real fancy. It's a workbench, right? Should I just stain the whole thing? I probably should just stain the whole thing. Next video we're probably going to be, well, I have an idea for another video actually, because my wife and I went and walked the property yesterday, and I found another area that's going to be really cool for a shooting range. Really cool area for a shooting range. She wasn't real happy with the placement that I wanted to put it, so we found another area on the property. It's 21 acres. It's huge, right? So we found another area. Maybe I'll do a short little video on that for the next video, and then the next video after that will be us framing up the shop. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't much. We just built a bench. But she's a thick old gal. She's going to come in handy. I really enjoyed making this. I really enjoyed making this workbench. This sucker is solid too, boys. Solid. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out. Peace.